General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.4.1 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, today's Tuesday. The 7th. Let's put it on. It's kind of manipulation. Took previous day's low and took previous day's high. I'm on sideline. Confidence level is low. We don't have an anchor point just yet either. No. No expansion. Good for Wednesday. We expected a late week expansion. Let's go NASDAQ. All right. Stage one. So we kind of got like a little accumulation day. Interesting. They engineered their sentiment with the Trump headline, but price finished higher. Okay, so now it's Friday, Thursday. So Monday was a large day. Tuesday was even larger, and we swept Monday and Tuesday and finished higher. So we re-ran this low. I would want to see um, really just the 200. See if I can find a target emoji. Be with the objects, wouldn't it? That look like the bullseye right there. Yeah. And we'll lock it. I want to see if we sell at the 200. The 200 is at 24,560.8. That's the target for tomorrow. Setting up to test the 200 SMA. Which is my target for tomorrow. I want to see if we pair orders for sales. Alright, let's look at SPX. And we closed. We didn't take the low, so that's SMT. this in the middle. So SPX is stronger for the buys. That means the sale should be better on QQQ if we sell. Stronger. No, did not tell previous day's low. The H1. Let's grab this. Cause why is that? Why does that look like that? Cause that's Sunday. Okay. It didn't take Sunday's low, but we got previous day's low. Let me go here on a 15-minute. We got both. All right, let's go to the H1 again. There it is. And we're very close to that daily swing high. Higher prices. SPX 100 as well. Let's look at the daily. Twins. There we got twins. Let's see if we close through this 20, or through this 200, through this daily 200 for Wednesday. Let's look at the stocks. Today was an engagement day. Hold on 1 second. All right, stocks. I don't see that on 30-minute. So it retested this inversion level, which is interesting. We still haven't tested the suspension block. get this price level because this is 663.19. Um, and we'll bring this down here. Which is still not that Monday high from that one crazy Monday. So let's bring this over. I wouldn't, let's say they don't have a deal and we just have a regular spike. So let's give us a reasonable target with the fibs. We got the 168 right here. And it's at 665.29. We'll even put a little. Keep that. Keep that. That would be the extension target. As far as just selling, anything above this Monday, Tuesday range, I'm okay with selling. If we get confirmation of sale after the open. Okay, for higher prices on Wednesday for order parent. And let's look at QQQ. Same time frame. Let's get us a target with the fibs. We're looking at 595.56. It's a good target, especially if let's say we go down and we have a reversal. We even came to this order block. Look like mission accomplished. Time to go up. That's a breakthrough. $595.56 is the target. Here. Today was a no trade day. Why was it? It was Seek and Destroy Day. Um, both sides, facial range, and lender range have to be set up for a good protraction in New York. What did price deliver that adds to my one experience pattern timing? Um, Open game, range, gap projection. It's ICT if then next for the similar day. Not really applicable here. There ain't too many days. Seeking it straight played out. Cis and D filters are good. For the allergies. Order pairing at the highs. That's what I'm looking for tomorrow. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.